Let me do my cap view first. Okay. We'll go with 2 LG, then 2. I guess LG.
It's that one.
Are these like the auxiliary elevators? These go up.
I think these are the main passenger elevators for the building.
Oh, okay. Well, then the hotel has. Oh, because it's a tower.
You just have to get off the second floor and turn left to get to the hotel, the main hotel elevators.
Oh, okay.
And they also recently built a new wing last year too.
Oh, nice.
They're brand new set of Otis elevators. They're Gen 3 elevators.
Oh, that's awesome.
It's like your standard newer Otis elevator, but it's got a different directional entry.
It's a parking garage here.
Yeah, this is a
Oh,
parking
what
garage.
elevator is that in the distance?
I think that is the parking elevator for the main hotel elevators.
Oh, okay.
We'll go check that out next.
Okay. Let's just end it at 2.
Yeah.
I'm gonna switch sides.
Yeah, sure. It's got to be from the 80s.
I think it is.